Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch S, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. First, you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the OPPO logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. So let's wait. Okay, release the button. In the meantime, the watch is booting up. Let's go to the phone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the Play Store. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in OHEALTH. And then tap on search. And you should see this application on the result page. OHEALTH by Hey, tap with this icon. Install it. And once the application is done installing, we can tap on Open. To open it, you will need to select the country or region. So scroll through the list, look for something you want to use. And then tap on Continue, Agree. Allow all the permission for the notifications. Tap on OK. And now you should see the home page of the app. Tap on Device. And before we continue, go to your watch. Swipe left on the screen. Scroll through the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Tap on it. Here tap Next, Next, Next. And once you see this page with the name of the watch, in the app tap on Add Device. Allow the required permission. Select the Watch S from the list of devices. And the app should detect your watch after a few seconds. Tap on it. Tap on Pair in the app, tap on the check mark to confirm on the watch. Here we can check the box next to user agreement and privacy policy, or privacy policy, my bad. You can also enable the automatic updates if you want, and then tap on Continue. Here we can allow some permissions for syncing incoming calls. So basically you will see the notifications about the calls on the watch. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on Allow and allow the required permissions. Then we have the notifications for the phone. So basically anything that pops up on your phone will also pop up on your watch. You can skip it or tap on Allow. And once you enable the notification access, you can go back. Then we have the preferred wrist. You can set up the lock screen password if you want to protect your watch or use the payments, the wireless payments. I'm gonna skip this for now, but you can set it up if you want to. Okay, we can tap on Continue. Now on the device page, you should see your OPPO Watch S. And if you go to your watch, you can go through the tutorial, how to use it. Okay. Okay. And once you're done with the tutorial, you should be ready to go. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.